Okay, this is our Walmart haul, just delivered and unpacked. We're gonna go through it with the meal plan that I have intended for these items for this week. So let's go ahead and get started over here with our frozen items. We love cauliflower in this household, so I got a bunch. I got 2 bags of rice cauliflower, 2 bags of just the cauliflower florets, and I even got 2 more bags of the riced veggies, the cauliflower medley. This has like peas and carrots in it. I'm going to be making paella, and of course paella usually calls for rice, but I'm trying to do it with cauliflower rice instead and see how that goes. So that's why I bought those 2. But we love our cauliflower mash, which uses the florets, and we love rice cauliflower as just a base for everything else. I also got a bag of Brussels sprouts, and I just thought those would be easy to throw in the air fryer as a side dish. Cut okra. I was thinking, I wasn't sure if these had the peas in them, and now I'm seeing that they do, because I was thinking I might put my cut okra in my paella, which is not usually the vegetable you put in there, but I thought I would just kind of make it different. So I might not do that now that I see the peas are in there. We'll just use the okra for something else. These are my turkey cooked sausage links. I love these for breakfast. I just put those on my toast, so I like those a lot. One of the season's favorite salads for us in this household is the mozzarella tomato basil salad. We make that all the time, and until the tomatoes are growing in the garden, we're going to use these grape tomatoes. I did get some mint. That is for some shrimp rolls I'm thinking about making, so I bought some mint. I did buy 2 ears of corn. Now, I never buy fresh corn. We're not eating corn as much, but my BFF told me about a fabulous recipe about corn on the cob in the air fryer, and so I definitely wanted to try that out. So 2 ears of corn to do that. Got some bell peppers. These are the multicolor. I needed a red, but it's cheaper to just go ahead and get all 3, and vegetables don't get wasted in this house, so might as well get the 3-pack. I did pick up, here once again, 2. I thought I got 3. Okay, 2 avocados. I have to check the list. I swore I got 3. Anyway, 2 avocados, 4 Roma tomatoes. That's going to be for salads and everything. Red onion, because I love grilled red onion or anything red onion. Always, I like the little bite in the guacamole. I just like red onion. And I also got a head of cauliflower. I was thinking about cauliflower steaks, where you broil them and just kind of, you could put, or make them like Parmesan. You cut them into slices and put tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Anyway, just a thought. And if not, like I said, cauliflower is a staple in this house, so it will get eaten. I got some deli products, turkey breast and salami. We discovered this salami recently, the uncured. It's very tasty. And also some tasty chicken sausage apple. These are fully cooked. I love this with just some sauerkraut, a little bit of sauce, maybe some cauliflower rice or quinoa. I really like that a lot. So I get that now occasionally. Eggs, we always have to have eggs. That's a pack of 18. I did get kale, and we always have broccoli. Kale, I was thinking for my, when we have broccoli, it's either fresh Brussels sprouts or fresh kale. Love it with bacon, where the drippings go on the kale. Oh my gosh, so good in the air fryer. Kale chips, so got that with that intention. I got 2 packages of chorizo, 1 beef, 1 pork. That's going to be for our paella. This is the protein that goes in there along with a seafood mix. I still have to get that, but I did go ahead and get the pork and the beef chorizo for our paella. All right, a pound of bacon. We like the uncured. We always have bacon in here. Like I said, it goes with kale or Brussels sprouts pretty much on a weekly basis. I did pick up this mini Caesar chopped kit. Never seen this before. It's kind of tiny. It's a 1-person serving. But the reason I got this was because I'm going to make, I'm thinking, a chicken pizza. You know, the new, where the crust is actually ground chicken. And then you put the Caesar salad with the dressing on top of the chicken pizza. I know, different, but I'm going to try that out. That's what that's for. Fresh spinach, a couple of recipe ideas with that. and tricolor coleslaw 2 bags. I am thinking about salad groups coming up, and I'm thinking about making an Asian chicken salad. So that's why I bought 2 bags of those. And then over here are dairy products. Philadelphia cream cheese, whipped cream cheese, that's my staple for breakfast. The other staple is half and half for our coffee. Sour cream, we just have it on hand all the time. It's amazing how many recipes just call for a dollop of sour cream, or if you don't have it, then your yogurt works fine, but we like sour cream. And then cheese, I have sliced provolone. I'm thinking about maybe some of those chips made out of cheese, so sliced provolone, if it makes it that far. A lot of times sliced cheese in this house, or any cheese in this house, doesn't last long. It disappears before it can get into a recipe, so I have to be quick about it. Shredded mozzarella cheese for that chicken pizza, and then we always have a block of some sort of sharp cheddar cheese. Once again, it disappears fast, so I gotta use it if it's for a recipe. You gotta be quick. Here's mozzarella. This is for that mozzarella tomato basil salad. And then for our crunchy salty item, wasabi soy almonds. These are the great value. We've always gotten the ones that come in the can. We always get those, but these were a better value. Curious to see if they taste as good, but that's the wasabi soy almonds, one of our favorite flavors. It's not too spicy. It does have a kick, but it's not awful. So if I can tolerate it, you know it's not too bad. And I really like those. All right, we're a pickled family, so we're gonna have all the pickled things. Pepperoncinis, we needed a jar of those. We also got some kosher baby dill pickles, and also some, this is mild okra as opposed to pickled okra. I'm assuming it's pickled. We'll find out. We'll love it either way. Got some rice vinegar for that Asian salad. Lime juice, another staple. We just need that. My favorite mayonnaise, Kewpie mayonnaise. Had to get more of that. A can of fired roasted diced tomatoes. I actually have a recipe, but that might stay in the cabinet for a while because that recipe probably won't be made this week because it goes with tofu. It's like a Parmesan tofu. So we may not see that recipe this week, but that's what that was bought for. Sauerkraut to go with those chicken sausages. And also I'm gonna be making a pork and sauerkraut crock pot meal. So that's why I got 2 cans. And then here's that ground chicken. This is chunk chicken breast to make that chicken breast pizza, to use the ground chicken as the crust. We'll see. Never done that before. We'll try it out. And then I got some green chilies. Also, we needed some more smoked paprika. And then just some Arm & Hammer baking soda, just to have that on hand. And that is our grocery haul. Now that our groceries are all put away, the next step in the planning process is to write out the meals for the week on my whiteboard. The meals we're having are pork and sauerkraut, Chinese chicken salad for salad group, or for just having a salad. Those packages of coleslaw are for that. The paella with all that frozen cauliflower and the pork and beef chorizo. Chicken Caesar pizza with all the cheese and the ground chicken, cans of ground chicken. The tri-tip and the corn on the cob. Mozzarella salad, our weekly staple of fresh mozzarella, basil, and tomatoes. We'll have that, definitely. Chicken wings. We'll also have the pork belly I bought from Aldi with the Brussels sprouts that are frozen. We'll combine those. And then we're making Tuscan chicken thighs. So that's our meals for the week. This will now go on the fridge. And we are done with our planning and ready for the cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell if you haven't done so already. This way you'll be notified when I make a new video with all these great recipes. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.